Just wanted to do a quick introduction on how the A&D HC parts counting scale works. There's three different ways to enter a weight for your parts, and that's through programming an ID, inputting the weight directly through the keyboard, or via entering a sample onto the pan. So we're going to start with that first. Following the directions said press sample and add parts. So we're going to hit the sample key until we got a good representative sample, which for what we're doing, we're going to use 25 parts. And I'm going to use these parts right here, and I'm going to use a container. So I'm going to put that container on there, and I want to hit the tear button. And right now it's telling me to add 25, so I'm going to just add these 25 parts. And then the scale is blinking enter, so I'm going to hit the enter button. So right now it's live in the parts counting mode, and I can take a part off and we're at 24, we're at 23. I'm going to take that off again, and I'm going to hit the tear button, and then you can just do the same thing. You can just go back and start putting parts onto the platform. Another thing that is handy is you might want to store this target weight. And so what you can do is you can hit store, and then it's asking you for an ID number. So we're going to just hit 11 here. And again, it's flashing enter. So what we can do, we can hit the ID button and go back for these parts, and that's going to be code number 11, and hit the enter, and then it'll automatically know how much each part weight is. And so that's two ways you can do it. The other way is you can go in and directly enter your known piece weight, and you can just do that right through here, and then hit the point 0, 0, 0, and whatever your sample weight is.